This is the ramp for the chickens. Alright, now you can see this panel thing here. That is so that, okay, it's hinged, alright, so when it goes on the bottom there, right, I'm going to put a piece of string and make a drawbridge, and the idea of putting this in is because it's just the same size as this hole, right, so that it fits flush, at least, I think, and of course this piece is for your chickens to have some purchase on the thing. Now, this piece is the only remaining piece of the entire bit of plywood. And even this, I think I'm probably going to cut into strips down here, and then nail them interspersed along here. So yeah, so I was extremely jammy with this. I managed to get just the right number of amount of wood. There's no spare parts, no leftovers. Even where are you? No, I don't think I've got any leftovers. But I don't think there's any leftover pieces of this 2x4 stuff, which I was hoping to have to be able to put into practical use for the thing, but I think I'll get away with it. So on here, it's actually 2 bits of offcuts, right, from somewhere else that I found, because there was that thing. It really is thing. So you know, if you can keep things like that shorter, don't do what I did here, which is waste a piece on there. It's completely superfluous, and well, that's 2 foot long. I might take that off and use it somewhere else.